reading soft romantic stories, tales of love that set the heart aflame, pages that entrance with a new romance, but each plot is really quite the same. He holds her in his arms, would you? He tells her of her charms, would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends. But before the story ends, he'll kiss her with a sigh. Would you? If a girl were I, would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they? I would you? He holds her in his arms, would you? And then he tells her of her charms, would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends. But before the story ends, he'll kiss her with a sigh. Would you? If the girl were I, would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they? I would.